Well, hello everyone. This is just a quick reminder that it's Wednesday night, and on Saturday night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to be doing a live event where we're going to be giving away some great prizes. Number one here is the coveted Talking Bullion round, serial number 10. Number two here is a roll of 90% silver dimes, Roosevelts, and that equals 3.575 ounces of silver. Number three is a Yeager poured silver, 1 ounce heart. Pretty awesome. And number four is this really cool toned 1921 Morgan silver dollar. And don't forget, during the live stream, we'll be doing some other giveaways, and we'll be having a lot of fun, and we hope you can join us then. If you haven't signed up for the GAW yet, the link to the video is listed below. Make sure you click on over there, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and you will be entered into the GAW. We will see you Saturday night, July 27th at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you everyone, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.